One of the simplest ways to start learning Salesforce is by using Trailhead, Salesforce's official learning platform. It offers free online courses and hands-on activities that help you understand both the basics and more advanced concepts of Salesforce. The first step is to create a Trailhead account. This is completely free and gives you access to all of Trailhead's courses, modules, and learning activities. Once you're signed in, a great place to start is the Salesforce Admin Beginner Trail. This trail walks you through the core concepts of Salesforce, helping you understand the platform, the key features, and the terminology you'll see. As you move through the trail, you can complete the modules at your own pace. If something doesn't make sense right away, that's completely normal. Trailhead includes interactive quizzes and hands-on challenges that help you learn by actually using Salesforce. This makes the concepts much easier to understand over time through practical experience. As you complete modules, you'll start earning Trailhead badges. These badges help track your progress and can be a great motivator as you continue building your Salesforce skills. Once you've finished the beginner trail, you can explore other trails and modules that match your interests. Trailhead offers learning paths across many areas, including sales, marketing, and customer service. We've also created a full playlist that walks through the recommended badges step by step for a structured way to learn. It's a simple and free way to learn Salesforce while earning badges along the way. You can check out the playlist here.